For this sound test, I'm going to use a shotgun microphone from Rode. It's a very high quality microphone placed in the center, so you can hear what it sounds like. It has great background noise rejection, and it's mono, just FYI. This is a stereo system, but since I'm recording with a high quality shotgun mic, you are going to hear mono sound. This is a CD, and we'll cycle through the FM, radio, and the Bluetooth. We will pair it with my phone. Okay, due to copyright concerns, I'm gonna stop right there. So that is the CD, and press source. We'll go to the Bluetooth, and now let's see if we can pair. Long press, I think, to enter pairing mode. Philips. There. The power consumption, by the way, is pretty low at around 2.6 watts. Now I'm going to play a short music sample from my phone. I'll just go to the music app. Music. Looks like I do not have. Okay, here you go. I have some local files, albums. I'll pick AC/DC. How about this one? This is a copyright-free song. Playing via Bluetooth, so I can control it here and control it on the remote from the Philips. There's a sound. Clear, powerful, bright, warm, balanced. I'm gonna use balanced. Okay, so that is the Bluetooth. Now let's go to USB. I don't have a USB stick for MP3 files, so I'm gonna skip that test. And FM.
That's why I got him Vicks NyQuil high blood pressure for fast, powerful nighttime.
Throughout the world that have really struggled
Yeah,
in the
the
face
strut.
of
There's an FM antenna in the back.
rapid onset. Any example?
Yeah, and
Versus how you
long press this next button, it will go to the next station. It's automatically done.
Say it in a nice way. Better sort of put it in a way that they can understand it.
EQ setting. And long press the button to save. That is, I'm gonna save it as program. It looks like it is going through all these stations right now. Oh, it is automatically saving, I think. Not sure how to stop it. Let's see how many stations it can save. Yeah, full. 20 stations.
Other factor that we're not.
Now I can just cycle through using this previous and next using this remote.
Island and Files City.
Alright, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Again, very power efficient